Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Friday. I had a pretty good day in the shop today. Sorry, I was sneezing right before I hit record. So anyway, I finished the leg vise project today, so that'll be released on Tuesday. I'll give you guys a quick peek at this. So finished this, mounting this, and then I also made this, just real quick, I'll show you what this is. So if I were to unscrew this, and if I had something clamped in here, I need to have something at the bottom. So I've made a sliding dovetail clamp. Let me get this cable. My phone is dead. So anyway, this is a sliding dovetail wedge, and I can slide that in place, clamp it down, move it with my foot, and so I can operate it right there on the floor with my foot. So it's pretty cool. So it turned out really good. I'm very pleased with how it all works now. So, but anyway, that video will be out on Tuesday. And oh, the giveaway on the branding iron that Philip Cranford is doing with Cranford Design Works, I'm fixing to select the winner for that. So here shortly, in a little bit, I'm going to post a video on Instagram showing who won. So be sure to tune in. And if you didn't win, send your congrats to the winner. It's just a nice thing to do. But it's a really cool giveaway. And the other guys and gals that are also doing this, I don't know when they'll announce, but it'll be sometime tonight, I'm guessing, because it's ending now. So I'm going to do mine here in just a few minutes and go over on Instagram and post that video. But also, yesterday, I think I mentioned this. If not, I released the 3rd episode of the Stone & Sons Audio Show podcast. And so if you haven't heard that, go over on iTunes or Google Play and search for Stone & Sons Audio Show and give it a listen, see what you think, and I would love some feedback. Thanks for all of the great comments and encouragement on the video that I did with my boys with the drill bit holders right there. A lot of good comments, encouraging comments, and I really appreciate that. So keep them coming. And that's all I got. I will be back Monday. Don't forget about the giveaway over on the website. Be sure to enter in, try to win. Not everybody is selecting to win the dartboard just for logistics or whatever. So if you're close enough to drive and come get this thing, you have a pretty good shot of winning, just because not everybody is entering in for that. So you just select yes or no whether you want to enter for that or not. So go over there and do that if you haven't done that. Spread the word, share, use the refer friends and share it. That would help tremendously get the word out. Yeah, so that's it. You guys have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Later.